and other elders, Ambassador Audrey Ngofa, and other elder statesmen. Join me in giving a rousing welcome to the performing governor,
Ikunu, former Deputy Governor of Rivers State. LSSRS, JP, is on her para the 4th. All monarchs, all clergy, present. State government, Dr. Tammy Winike Dana.
Welcome you to this very outstanding commissioning of the Government House staff quarters by the Executive Governor of Rivers State, Sir Fubara today. Your Excellency, apart from your transformative approach to governance, which has seen other sectors rapidly developing, the health sector, the education sector, road networks, the economy, rebuild and security, highly impressive across the 23 local governments of Rivers State. You have not forgotten the staff of Government House. That is why you totally brought down the dilapidated and outdated structure that was here before and erected from foundation to finish, tastefully furnished, new Government House staff quarters. This is because you take very highly the welfare of the staff of Government House, the welfare of civil servants, and the welfare of Rivers people. What you are seeing here is a state-of-the-art facility with everything you can think of in a luxury estate. It has canteen, it has gymnasium, it has mini basketball court, 24 hours power supply, and a very suitable water tank. I'll leave the other details of the building and the number of flats, which ranges from 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom, self-contained apartments to the Palm Sec who will do the project description. But Your Excellency, the staff of Government House have asked me to tell you that you have surpassed the expectation and you have given them a reason to ensure efficiency, proactiveness in service delivery in Government House, and to ensure that I don't fail in assuring you that the entire staff of Rivers State Government House, just as Rivers people, are fully simplified. Thank you and God bless you, sir.
I would like us to take something, I want to do something different today. I want us to look at Philippians 3, verse 18 to 19. And it reads, "For as I have often told you before, and now I tell you again, even with tears, many live as enemy of the cross of Christ. Their destiny is destruction, and their God is in their stomach, and their glory is in their shame. Their mind is set on earthly things only." I want to say here today, and to assure everyone that has stood with us, our strength is not on earthly things. Our strength is in the supreme being. That even when we fail here, assuming has been contemplated, our victory is assured. Look, I want you to be in your highest spirit. It is not about who wins. It's about the glory and the honor of fighting gallantly. Being on the side of truth, not on the side of lies because of cheap favor. I want to assure you, all our supporters, I know the news that broke out on Friday must have dampened your spirit. Raise up what is ahead is more than what we just passed. So, as a human being, I know you feel somehow, but just relax. God has our back. Our back is not on anybody, it's God. I want to thank you for your support and assure you that if there is one person on this planet Earth that will continue to stand by you, I will be that person. I assure you that I will lead you with honor. I will lead you with respect. And I will lead you with integrity. Knowing that when I leave here, I will have questions to answer. If I'm called upon 20 years, 30 years from today, I want to be proud to defend my position. So I thank you and assure you that I will not disappoint you. We must continue to tell the world that against what is being said, that there is no governance, that there is legitimate, purpose-driven governance in Rivers State. And we are here to display genuinely, not because of our own selfish interests, one of those things that this government have done to show that we appreciate, we understand the need, and we must continue to do what is right for our people. When we came on board, this building, just like as it's been described by the permanent secretary, it was a dilapidated building, completely uninhabitable. We felt we must add value, which is the basis of our governance, to what we meet. And we decided that, look, our staffs, they can't be living in an uncomfortable place. They can't live like animals while I live in a big comfort in my place. Why would I get efficiency from my workers if they are not happy? And the government decided to embark on this project. And I'm happy that the contractor delivered it within the time limit. So let me thank the contractor, MCC. MCC has been doing a lot of job for us, and they have been doing it diligently, with so much commitment, knowing that we have a lot of people there trying to keep record of our activities. Not on the good side, but on the bad side. So we need to be proving them wrong, showing them that we are government of transparency. Government that is not hiding anything. Government that even when it is believed that the things we did were not done right, they were able to show the world that this is the thing we intend to do, and this is how we're going about it. It is a future that anybody here knows that it was a challenge to previous administration. But we did it with ease because we don't have anything to hide. Just like the word said, we are not after our stomach. We are after the joy of our people. That at the end of the day, what will count for us is the life we have touched genuinely. The legacy will live that will speak for us, that will open doors for our children, our generations yet unborn. Knowing that and having that in mind, it spoils us It forced me as a person to stand on the side of right, to stand on the side to do good, to stand on the side that even if anybody calls me tomorrow, I should be bold to defend my action. I'm happy that we have conceived this project, executed it, and by the special grace of God today, we're dedicating it to the glory of God. I thank God for that. Our leaders, I do not have anything to give to you. We have not even given you anything right from the time we started. We have been running a system where every time when we try to stabilize, one spinner will be thrown into our way. So for that reason, it's like bringing us to ground zero again, and we start afresh. But I will continue to thank you for supporting us without getting anything. Supporting us because you believe that it is the right thing to do for Rivers State. Let anybody not be deceived. There are faces today that will carry the symbol of some persons, and it will be a curse in this state. People should know that, because no matter how we've been fooled in this state, it has gotten to a point where this state have decided to take their destiny by their hands. In as much as I don't subscribe to violence, when the time comes for us to take a decision, I will lead the cause for that decision. Let me say it again, and let me say it again. I'm not scared of anything. The worst that will happen is me to leave the office. It's not. Am I leaving the earth? Is it going to stop me from existing? So I'm not even bothered about that. But the right thing must be done and must be said when the opportunity is given to us. So let me thank everyone, more especially is our youth. Be strong. Don't be bad up. Be strong. I assure you, at the right time, you will get the instruction.
A biggie man, 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 a biggie man. He know them for size, a biggie man, a biggie man, a biggie man.
Thank you, thank you. So, our leaders, our good people of Rivers State, we thank you for your support. We're just starting today. We have a list of projects that we already outlined before the incident on Friday. But we're not going back on it. We must complete what we have already planned. And we will add, if need be, to what we have already decided to do for our people. Let everyone know, let it be recorded this morning that the interests of Rivers State remains my priority. It's above every other thing. Even if it means to pay the supreme sacrifice for it, I want and I will not hesitate to do it. Let me, on this note, invite our leader.
Excellency Governor,
chief of staff, members of His Excellency's entourage, along with the Secretary for the State Government and the chief of staff.
Commission this project to the glory of God and to the well-being of humanity. To the name of God the Father, amen. God the Son, amen. God the Holy Spirit, amen.
Don't go forward, stay there. Don't stay right there. Come back.
This government house,
MCC, shoot now. What is it snap now? Snap shit back now. What is the problem?
His Excellency and members of His entourage.
Keep going. Once you pick, you move. Okay. That's what it's for. Okay, no block. Position. MC waiting. Are you the warriors for this place? Let's go. That part of the place. This one is just walking.
you just walk in and go
Yeah, this is just walking. It's just walking. It's just walking.
This is comfortable. What? To the staff of what? Are you serious? Mamamuga Square. Boy. Now this guy look for him to that kind. What? Put your clothes on.
Yes.
It's a master bedroom.
Wow. No, the comfort. We can carry this inside.
Wow.
Man.
Wow.
Give us pause. Someone pause. We just did look at it. So what the kind of a kitchen?
So we're going to see that.
This is diners.
International
This left after this is a sit out. Also graphic. Well, whatever the graphic.
What is camera, babe?